If you want to learn PySpark, then you've come to the right place. Hi everyone, and welcome to the Learning PySpark with Databricks series. I'm Malvik Vagadia, and I have over 10 years of experience working in the data field, specializing in data engineering and cloud data platforms. In addition to this, I've taught thousands of students through my Udemy courses, and in this series, I'll guide you to becoming proficient with PySpark. We'll be using the Databricks Community Edition, which is a free platform designed to help students learn and explore Spark. And this series is targeted at beginners, so don't worry if you're completely new to PySpark or Databricks. We'll take it step by step, covering everything from creating data frames to reading, writing, and transforming data with PySpark. To help you practice, I've created a dedicated GitHub repository with all of the notebooks used in my hands-on demos. The notebook name should correlate to the specific video in the playlist. For example, the notebook titled 11 Creating Data Frames in PySpark should be the notebook for video number 11 of this playlist with the same title. The notebook contains all of the code used in the video and additional resources to help guide you. Okay, so before we get started, for anybody interested in enrolling in my Udemy courses, then please check out the video description, where I'll provide exclusive discount codes that should offer significant savings. Great, so let's begin.